Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can set up your shipping rates on your Shopify website. So once you're on your admin dashboard, just go down on the corner here with the gear icon, settings, and then just click on shipping and delivery. I'm going to press new profile for this example. I'm just going to say fragile products. It doesn't really matter what I put on here because this is a shipping rate tutorial. The product will be t-shirt, whatever. Now, the thing you want to do to set up the shipping rates first is by creating a zone. So let's create a zone. I'm going to pick Asia. Done. And then once you've picked a zone, and then you can set up the rate. I'm going to add a rate. You can use a carrier or app to calculate the rates, but I'm just going to use a flat rate for this tutorial. The shipping rate will be custom. The custom rate name will be Asia delivery. You can see the preview down there. And then the custom delivery description is like ships next day. The price is 10,000, something like that. Once you're happy with this, you can press done. And now you have a shipping rate set up. Just press save. And there you go. Now you have a shipping rate set up.